Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see now, LayerEdge proof of humanity is live. Yes, LayerEdge proof of humanity is live, and you can see now it's ending 25th April. Yes, you can see their post here. Yes, see, to keep the network fair and serial resistance, we just roll out proof of humanity, a privacy first identity verification system completed by 25th April to boost your chance for mainnet airdrops and future incentives. Access it here. So they are doing this to prevent multiple accounts. Yes, it's very important. So in this video I'm going to take us through how we can verify this. Yes, so ensure you watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, subscribe for more videos like this and more airdrop. All right, let's get started. Okay, first thing, before we proceed, you need this app. Go to Play Store, download Transgate app. You need it to connect it with it. Transgate, just type Transgate, okay, Transgate. Okay, so ensure you install this in your phone. If you are using system, you have to download the extension. You understand? Download this Transgate app. So once you download it, the second thing you need VPN, because the site is congested and loaded. So you can use any VPN. Yes, ensure the VPN is connected. You can see my own is connected. So can see they say access it here. It's either you copy the link from here, or let's go to LayerEdge direct. Yes, but before then, you can see this Transgate app. Open it, then click on scan here, then minimize. Let's go to our LayerEdge. So me, I'm using OKS. So any wallet you are using, you go and open it with it. You understand? This OKS. So how can we access this proof of humanity inside this OKS or any wallet you are using? Click here. You can see it here, POH, proof of humanity. Click on it. Alright, so ensure you watch this video to the end so you understand what I'm about to explain, how you can do this. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, now once you open it, you have to connect your wallet. You understand? I have already connected my wallet. So yeah, you need to connect the wallet. Yes, I have done that. So now you can see it here, ZK pass. So yeah, you must verify it with any of this exchange below. You said that you use Binance, or you use or this one. You can use KuCoin, you can use Bybit. So any exchange of your choice. You can also use Coinbase. You understand? In this video, I'll be using Binance. Yes, let me use Binance here. All right, so I have to click on this Binance. You hear what I was saying, right? You can use any of these. Let me use Binance. Let me click on it. Okay, let me click on it again. All right, so it's taking me to that app now, Transgate app now. So all right, so I had to continue with this. Okay. Alright, so let me allow this to load. Now I have to log into my Binance here. Yes, I have to log into my Binance here. So I have to log in it here. Okay. Okay. So I need to log into my Binance here. Let me log in my Binance first here. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, I have to verify this. Okay. Okay, I have to input my password. Next. Okay, I have to verify this also. Authenticate. Okay, let me verify email first. Okay, they have sent code. They have sent OTP to my Gmail. So let me go and get the OTP. Alright. Alright, so let me get the OTP first. I hope you are following me. So ensure you watch this video to the end. I'm sure you understand what I'm about to what I'm explaining now. Sure you watch this video to the end. So I have to paste it here. Alright, I have done this. Let me do the authenticator first. Okay, let me open it. Okay, let me go open my authenticator and get the code. Okay, okay. Let me wait for this to load. Let me now copy it. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright, it's loading. Stay login. Okay, let me click on yes. Ensure any exchange you are using, ensure you already done your KYC on the exchange. You understand? So verify with ZK Pass. Let me click on it. Verify with ZK Pass. Alright, it's loading. It's loading. The rating proof. Verifying proof. So you have to wait. We have to wait for this to verify before we continue. Wow, congratulations, you have successfully proved yourself. Yes, back to home. All right, okay, so let me go back to the LayerEdge and check it again. All right, let me go back and check it. Okay, let me click on this Binance here. Wow, congratulations. Okay, let me go back. Okay, let me go back to my OKS wallet and confirm something again. Let me open it and confirm this. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more guide like this and latest airdrop and legit airdrop. Okay, let me just log in it back and confirm it. Okay. Okay, let me just open it and check it again. Okay, so I have to click here and go to the proof of POH, proof of humanity. Okay, so let me scroll to that particular one. So I just did Binance now. So as I was saying, but you must have complete your level 2 KYC on any of the exchange you are using. Verify now. I have done it too, so I just want to confirm it again. Congratulations. Yeah, okay, I have done this, you understand? So yeah, this is what I just want to show us. I have done this. So ensure you are seeing this. Congratulations. Ensure you are seeing this. Congratulations. You understand? Once you see this, you have successfully done it. So this is how to do your proof of humanity on LayerEdge. So use any of the exchange of your choice. You understand? Use any of this exchange. Me, I just use Binance now. So ensure you do the same thing before. See, it's ending 25th, right? It's ending 25th April. So ensure you do it before 25th April. Yes. So this is how to do your proof of humanity on LayerEdge. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more. Like this video and share it to your friends. Yes, those farming this LayerEdge, share this video to them so that they can do the same thing. Yeah, bye for now.